Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Karen. I hope you're keeping well. I have my Christmas jumpers and all on now and feeling so cozy here tonight. So we've got Freya out and we're going to do a fabulous pink set of Christmas nails. So this is Lola, which is a gorgeous strawberry milkshake pink from Blingline, and I'm going to be putting that on the pointer and the ring finger. I know, pink Christmas sets, not usually the norm, but I really wanted to give something like this a go because I don't actually think I've done it in the past. I think it's sort of been more traditional red, greens, white, that kind of thing. So I thought, yeah, why not try a little pink set? So moving on, once we're to the lamp, I'm going to go in with Snow White and I'm going to put that on the middle finger and the pinky. Again, I'm doing 2 coats of each. I like to do the gel in thin layers and make sure it's all properly cured. And once I have my 2 layers on, then we will move on to the next stage. Okay, so moving on now, I've got my Cool One Step gel and I'm going to put a very thin layer of that. And here we have some Snowflakes and some gorgeous Sugar Shot, which is now available from Nail Sugar. This is part of our Christmas launch collection. So just bending one of those little snowflakes there, I'm going to set it onto the nail. The reason I do this is to sort of just make sure that it kind of what would you say, sort of encapsulates a little bit easier to the bend, the natural curve of that nail. So then I'm just going to take a few little bits of Sugar Shot, some little sparkles, and put them here and there, and then we're going to go in for a cure once I have stopped faffing around with where I want to put these things. It takes me ages when I do stuff like this because I'm so particular. It's like, no, I don't want that there. No, I want this here. So, but anyway, finally we got it cured. And then what we're going to do is I am going to go back in with some more Sugar Shot over the pinky, and I'm just going to layer it on. Again, that's over Cool One Step. So this is what I do usually whenever I am encapsulating. You can mix it with your gel, but I just sort of decided to sprinkle it over. I'm then going to put a second layer on, again, very thin layer, and that's kind of just going to seep in between the little spaces in that there where we missed. And then I'm going in with some more of that beautiful Sugar Shot. And then once we're happy with the sort of the placement and the application and everything like that there, then we will go in for a cure. What I will say is whenever you're working with chunky glitters like this, I find it much better to do 2 thin layers than just go in with one big sort of layer, if that makes sense. So now we're just going to encapsulate those nails. So again, this is the Cool One Step, and I'm just bringing that down the nail and making sure I do my sidewalls and my apex and that there. And I have flash cured the pointer, so just in case you're thinking it's sitting there, why has she not just left it be? I actually put it in for a flash cure while I'm working on the pinky. So, and once we have it encapsulated, then we will go in for a full cure and move on to the next bit of the design. Okay, so on to the next step. What I'm just going to do here is I am literally just going to encapsulate this nail. We are going to be sugaring it with some glitter. Now, I know I could have got away with gel polish, but I do prefer working with the hard gel. I just find that you've got less chance anyway of obviously the like of it peeling off. I think hard gel lasts a lot longer, and I think it just stays a lot better looking. So once I have my apex and sidewall sorted, I'll go in for a cure. Okay, so now that we're out of the lamp, I'm just going to wipe off that dispersion layer. I'm just going to give the nails a bit of a buff over, and then just kind of like file and give them another wipe down. So now I'm going in with some more gel, and I'm going to make just a little kind of triangle shape there, as you can see, like a little sort of arrowhead, and then I'm just going to fill that in. We're going to sprinkle it in the gorgeous Stardust, which you can see now on your screen. And so I'm just going to put a nice little layer of that over, and then once I'm happy with the coverage, we're going to pop it in to the lamp for a double cure. Okay, so I'm just dusting off the excess. That's kind of one of my favourite parts of sugaring any glitter, is dusting off the excess to reveal those really crisp, sparkly edges. I don't know if I'm the only one that really enjoys that, but I do love that bit. So again, I'm just going over here with a thin layer of gel, and then I've got these beautiful dots. This is Cake Pop dots again from Nail Sugar, and I'm just going to place those on here and there, just to kind of look like little Christmas bubbles placed on our sparkly silver tree. And then once I'm happy with that, I will pop it in for a cure. Okay, so I'm now going to go in and fully encapsulate our design, our little Christmas tree. So as you can see, I'm just using my Cool One Step Gel. I'm going in with that. Then I will go in for a cure, and after which then I am going to file, buff and clean Freya all up, ready for the next step. Ta-da! And here is Freya. Her nails have been all filed and buffed, and she's looking fabulous once again. I've also given her a bit of a wipe down, and so now it's time to move on to our next step, which is some Blingline Tack Free and the beautiful diamond dust, which should be a staple in every nail tech's collection. So we're just going to put a very fine layer of it, or sorry, a very thin layer of the Tack Free down, paying careful attention to the edges and not going all the way up, if that makes sense. So I am actually leaving a little bit of a space, it's just out of focus. And then I'm just going to get some of that beautiful diamond dust and very gently sort of pour it over the top. And then we're going to go in for a double cure once you're happy with all your diamond dust loaded on. Oh, how good does that look? So snowy and sparkly. Ta-da! And there we go. That is Freya's beautiful design all finished. I absolutely love doing these nails, and even though they're pastel pink, I think they are absolutely gorgeous for Christmas nails. In fact, my daughter actually wants that same design this Christmas too, so maybe I shall treat her to a nice little set. So anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. I definitely enjoyed creating these. I think they are really lovely. Don't forget, everything's linked below. Have a wonderful week ahead. Do hit that like, subscribe, and leave me a little hello down below. Always love hearing from you guys. So have a great week, and I will see you all next time. Bye.